Have you been itching your eyes? Have you had a constant runny nose? Or have you been sneezing a lot lately? Well, the chances are you've probably got hay fever. So in this video, I'll be going over everything you need to know about hay fever and what you can do yourself to help ease those symptoms. Okay, so let's start with what is hay fever. Hay fever is caused when the body makes allergic antibodies to substances such as pollen. These are known as allergens. It affects 1 in 5 people, so the chances are you will suffer hay fever at some point in your lifetime. So you may be wondering, what is the difference between the common cold and hay fever? While many of their symptoms overlap, there's one main symptom which is present in hay fever and not the common cold, and that is itchiness. This could be itchiness of the eyes, the nose, or the throat. So I'm going to run through some of my health tips that you can do to prevent hay fever, which don't require any medication at all. So tip number 1 is Vaseline. So using a cotton bud, apply the Vaseline around the nostril. What that will do is it will trap the pollen. And tip number 2, stay indoors whenever possible. If you have to go outside, make sure you wear wraparound sunglasses. What that will do is prevent pollen from getting into your eyes. Tip number 3, shower and change your clothes if you've been outside. This will wash the pollen off. So tip number 4 is to keep your windows and doors shut as much as possible, especially during high pollen counts. If some of my health tips didn't work, there are over-the-counter medication that you can use. I suggest you speak to your local pharmacist who can advise you on the best treatment available. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found this useful. If you have, please share it, and I'll see you soon for another video.